Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install DBeaver version 25 on Kali Linux 2025.2. Then we will connect the PostgreSQL and MySQL from the DBeaver. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to DBeaver official website. It is dbeaver.io. Enter. See here, DBeaver community is a free open source database management tool for personal projects. Manage and explore databases like MySQL, MariaDB, PostgreSQL, SQLite, Apache family and more. And see here we have the two versions, DBeaver Community and DBeaver Pro. Okay, Community is the open source, DBeaver Pro is the commercial version. I'm going to download and install Community. So click on download. Then see here, for Kali Linux we have to download this Linux Debian package. Click on it to download. See, download started and its size is 128 megabytes. Open terminal. I have already installed MySQL and PostgreSQL. If you want to install MySQL and PostgreSQL on Kali Linux 2025.3, you can search for my YouTube channel how to install both on Kali Linux. Okay. See, download completed. Go to terminal. Go to downloads directly. CD downloads. Let's see here we have the DBeaver CE. C means community edition and it is Debian package. You have to install it. Sudo dpkg-i, then DBeaver, then press the tab from your keyboard to autofill entire Debian package name. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now go to application menu. Then search for DBeaver. See here we have the DBeaver CE. CE means community edition. Click on it to open. Okay. Also verify MySQL is installed or not. See, I have the PostgreSQL. I don't want to create databases, so no. Verify MySQL version. See, MySQL is also installed. Okay. Now connect to both MySQL and PostgreSQL server. Go to database, then select new database connection, or just click on this connection button. Then select the MySQL. Then click on next. Now select the host. Then MySQL is installed on this one. Then port number is 3306. Here you can give localhost, loopback IP, or the IP of this machine or the host name. Okay, I have the database bank. Then select this one. Then this is the username. If you have some other username, then provide that username. Then provide the password of that user. Then click on text connection. See, now it is asking to download drivers files. Select download. See, successfully connected. Click on OK. Click on finish. Now run the queries. Expand the connection. See here we have the databases, users. So expand databases. See here we have the bank. Right click. Then SQL editor. Then open SQL console. Then run the queries. Select version. Then select the query. Then click on execute. See, you got the output. Okay. If you want to run the query against the table that is there in this database, select star from customer. Select the query, then click on execute. See, you got the output. Okay. Now we will connect the PostgreSQL server. Click on the connection, then select PostgreSQL, then next. See, PostgreSQL is also installed on this one. Port number is 5452. Then select the show all databases. This is the username. Then provide the password. Then click on text connection. Click on download drivers. See, successfully connected to PostgreSQL server 18.0. Click on OK. Click on finish. See here we have the new connection. Expand it. See here we have the databases. Right click on the database. Then open SQL editor. Then select open SQL console. Now verify the version. Select. Execute it. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL server. Okay. And let's remove it because we have successfully installed DBeaver. Unless we have cleared the space. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to install DBeaver latest version, that is 25.2 on Kali Linux 2025.3. Then we have connected PostgreSQL and MySQL. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.